Football. An Easter egg is delicious any way you look at it, whole or scrambled.
Sean, throw it. See if you can hit it. Don't move up. Come on, try and hit the camera, man.
You may question his coaching methods, but he knows how to get the best out of his kids. What's the secret to their air show's success? Poor training, and not much of it. After seeing that, this guy just wants to find his car and go home. Some people just can't pick a campsite. Now that he's learned to ride his bike, all his other toys can get lost. MGM has their lion. We have this. Roar. Oh, I'd keep my hand away from him. Look what happened to the last guy who tried that.
Sorrows of life.
Sorrows of life.
To victory.
To victory.
Or defeat.
Or defeat.
I will love you.
I will love you.
I will obey you.
No.
How about honor?
Yeah.
Cherish?
Cherish.
How about I will like you a lot?
AFV presents Freudian Slips.
But on the more serious side, you also represent not only the class with the tremendous amount of scholarship, the tremendous amount of success, you also...
Kathleen and Brian, I'm very happy for you. I wish you all the happiness, health, prosperity, sex.
No goal is unreachable. In athletics, the class of '91 Bulldogs had success beyond belief. But our athletes
and extend to him heartfelt appreciation for his spiritual leadership, best wishes for continued success.
During your life together, may there be enough tears to keep you tender, enough hurts to keep you human, enough challenges to keep your hands tightly in God's hands, and enough success.
But after your nap and you're all happy again, we'll come back to the park. You're just too much cry.
For once, it's the driver saying, "Are we there yet?" This is little Marcia. Marshmallow.
Is that fluff good? Are you a bad girl?
Oh, broke his back. Stop!
At that age, it's so hard to distinguish between a pet and a snack. Hey, would you mind holding the baby for a moment while I get out of here?